First pass of Harvest 2020. Today is September 18th, at about 6 o'clock. Just getting started here on our first field of 2020 cornfield. So this is my 40-acre cornfield. We'll be doing today, or some of it today, and then we'll probably get quite a bit of it done tonight, and I'll come back tomorrow and probably get both combines rolling and both grain carts, I'm guessing. I know we'll really start hammering the acres out, or at least a couple fields out before we move on to beans here soon. So tonight's basically just a test run, make sure everything works. So when you open up our fields, the first thing we do is we leave 8 rows along the edge, come down the next 8 rows. That way, once he gets to open up down there, he'll turn around, take these 8 back up while he can dump, and then come around, take these 8, and then that way it's opened up here a little bit and you don't have to stop and dump. I'm in a 9130 with a Brent 674 grain cart behind me with big 1050 floaters on it, which is nice to have on grain carts. We're able to combine this field so early this year because it's real sandy ground and we never got rain in the end of July or August at all, so it really just burned up real fast and died. So it should be pretty dry. It's not going to yield very well though, sadly. I just got out and I talked to him as you look behind the combine, making sure it was doing a good job. The moisture sensor in the combine says 14.5%, which I believe it is really dry. But here at our good tester at home says low. And the yield it's really bad. Really bad. But so you can't expect anything when you don't have any rain though, so that's how farming goes sometimes though. Ain't always good. The first 48 end rows off, and I dumped about a little less than half a grain cart load off into the semi. That way I'm empty when we go to the other end of the field, which Mike just went on rows 8 and 16, 8 through 16. So I'm following him down there right now, and he turns around, I'll empty him out again. So now we're on the west end rows of this field, and I'm just waiting for him to turn around, get more in this hopper, then we'll dump again. But now would be a great time for you guys to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Once we get 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be doing an equipment tour video. So subscribe if you want to see that video. So yeah, all the end rows off. Now we broke through the middle of the field. Now we'll just keep going around and around and around until it's too wide. Now break through somewhere else. So yeah, it is, what time is it? 9 o'clock right now. I have no clue how long you're gonna be going tonight. I'm guessing not too long. But yeah, I'll keep you updated. We're done for the night. He's just engine off into me. We're done because one of the sprockets to hold the gathering chain on, the bearing went out of it, and the gathering chain stuck very bad, and it'd be easiest to go home. It's only a mile away from home. Call it quits for the night and come back tomorrow, hopefully. What's the next day? Whatever this morning, the other combine, the other 688, and out here checking behind the combine. This corn's a little wetter, so I turned the rotor up a little bit to get more of the corn off the cob. I might turn up a little more yet, I think. I'm still deciding that yet. I sped it up 20, so we'll go a little bit and try that. So we ended up tightening the concaves up a little bit, and it's a lot better. So that problem is solved. The rookie drive. Chase is in the grain cart today for us. That's the end of this field. Now we're gonna go across the railroad tracks.
Clean out then, or
it's over there. So I took the combine over again, and I was like, yeah, we're not going to that field across the railroad tracks on the one we were just in. We were in the field across the one you started in. That's the one you started in. Now it's over here now.
So I just asked Steve triangle to the west then.
Yeah. So, just getting this field opened up. It's a triangle, so it's kind of interesting. Because of the railroad tracks, it's a triangle now, so it's gonna be a little non-efficient, but it all works. So the whole left side of the head quit working, and I looked under here and the chain came off, so now I gotta fix that. That link's junk. So my dad's coming up in the shop truck because we don't have any links in the combine. Thought we did, but we don't. So now I'm gonna wait for him. We're only a mile away from home, so it won't take long. So we got it fixed. All I gotta do is put the link in. They came down and we got that in. Now we're back at it. Opening up the field still. So we got out of that triangle field. Now we're just across the tracks from my house.
The north end, Brady, or did you guys chop that?
Oh, that was chopped. Okay. As long as they don't talk anymore. So what was that? Yeah, so I finished the triangle field, and now we're in the field across the tracks, and this field was chopped. A lot of it was, but there was about 15 acres left, so we're just combining that up, and that'll be it for tonight, probably for a while. This is all the stuff that's ready right now. We're switching over to beans out of this field, but I don't know when they're going to be starting on beans yet, so I have to stay tuned for that. combine just finished up. Grain cart's here so I can empty off at the end. Then I'm gonna take all the steps to the yard, and that'll be it. That'll be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you already haven't. Once we reach 1,000 subscribers, we're going to be doing an equipment tour video. So make sure you're subscribed to see that.